Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a healthy version of fish, chips and mushy peas. My version consists of garlicky herb potatoes, delicious minted peas with leeks and courgettes, and a crispy cornflake top cod. So let's grab your aprons and let's get cooking. So now I'm going to start with 600 grams of washed potatoes and I'm going to chop them into a 1-inch dice. Then I'm going to place the potatoes onto a grease-proof lined baking tray. And now I'm going to add 3/4 of a tablespoonful of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried mixed herbs. I'm going to season well with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Then I'm going to spray it with some low-calorie cooking oil. Give it a good mix up just to make sure that everything's coated in all the herbs and spices. Now I will place it in a preheated oven at 220 degrees centigrade or 200 fan and we'll bake that for about 20 minutes. Now while the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to take 2 washed leeks, I'm going to halve them lengthwise and then I'm going to chop them into about 1 centimeter slices. Then I'm going to push those to the side and I'm going to take 1 courgette. I'm going to slice it lengthwise and again I'm going to cut it into about 1 centimeter slices. Now we're going to take a piece of tin foil and we're going to make a boat shape and fill it with the leeks and courgettes. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell for notifications. It does help that I can make further videos for you. Now just make sure that the sides are well up. And to this then I'm going to add 1 clove of crushed garlic, a 100 ml of good quality chicken stock, 1 tablespoonful of white wine vinegar. I'm going to season it well with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Then I'm going to spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. Just give it a good mix up and we'll set it to the side. Now we're going to remove our potatoes from the oven. Give them a good turn over and just push them onto 1/3 of the baking tray. Now we'll just place the foil boat with the vegetables onto the other side of the baking tray. We'll put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes just until the vegetables start to soften. Now while the vegetables are cooking, I'm going to take 50 grams of cornflakes, add them to a bowl and I'm going to crush them well. To this then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of dried parsley and 1 tablespoonful of melted salted butter. Just take a spoon and then we'll mix them well up. Now we'll set that to the side while we bring our fish in. So I'm taking 4 cod fillets and I'm going to season all over with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. I'll set those to the side. I'm going to bring in a bowl and I'm going to take 1 egg. I'm going to break it into the bowl and I'm going to whisk it well. Now place the cod fillets into the egg and just make sure that they're well coated. Now we're going to remove the vegetables and potatoes from the oven. And to the vegetables then we're going to add 200 grams of frozen peas and we're going to stir them well just to combine them all in. Now just move our vegetables over and I'm going to place the coated fish just onto the baking tray. And then top it with the cornflakes just pressing them down to make sure that they're well covered. Now I'll just spray that with some low calorie cooking oil and we're going to return it to the oven. Now we'll let these cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, just until the fish is cooked through and it's nice and flaky. So once our fish is cooked, we'll just one last thing before we serve. So just to give the vegetables that little lift, I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of mint sauce. Just give that a stir around and get all the vegetables covered with the mint. And now it's time to serve. So we have our crispy garlic potatoes. Try to put them on the plate mark. Then we have our cornflake crusted cod and our minted vegetables, and this is a really gorgeous meal that everyone can enjoy. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.